Welcome to Tech Venture. Today, we have the WF-1000XM4s, which I've been very excited for. Now, I did not do a review on the XM3s because I did start the channel after they came out, so we'll just start with these. But there is also a paper that's supposed to be on here that I may have gotten a little too excited and removed already, but just imagine it in your brain, me ripping it off, and boom, now it's off. So we'll get started now. So I'll go ahead, you remove this top part, and you are right away, there's the headphones, I'm guessing, yeah. Yeah, and they're even wrapped as well, which I'm guessing you just, there it is, okay. So that is the pull tab, I'm guessing. Well, that was not very, okay, there we go. There we go. I'm just going to slide the rest out. I'm not going to worry about that paper. Yeah, we'll remove that. And the first thing you've noticed, if you've ever seen the WF-1000XM3s, it's much smaller. And the case is actually really nice feeling. The charger now is back here. And the Sony logo is still up here. But it is no longer two-tone. You get one color. And then the Sony logo is what is the different tone, or that bronze that they use. And then we'll go ahead and open them, and that is what they look like. You do get an LED right there. I'll go ahead and remove this. Oh, I'm guessing this will remove. Yep, and now they're pairing. So let's see how easy it is to pair. Let's see if it just pops up on my phone. We'll get to the rest of it here in a second. Oh, I bet we do have to go into Bluetooth, don't we? Or maybe they're not pairing. Well, this shows you how easy or not easy it is to pair these headphones. Oh, maybe I just had to touch it. Got the LED right here. It was flashing before, but if it's supposed to be flashing now, I don't think it is. So we'll close it and open it back up. Maybe I should have read the manual. Well, while we get to the manual, we'll go with the rest of it. So now, once you lift those headphones out, you do see right there, I'm guessing that is showing you the phone to connect it to, the earbuds, but we'll go ahead and get started by opening it up. Oh, there it is. Okay, so you pull this out. It says you lift them out, and then you put them back in, and then you close it, and then you lift it out of the case. Did you guys get that? Because I did not. Well, okay, let's just try it. Okay, so open it up. We took that out. Lift them out. All right. And then, oh, you have to lift them out to connect them. As soon as I lift them out, there they are. Let's go ahead and see if they do connect. Oh, yeah, they're connected. Well, that was actually easy. Well, I already have it, don't I? I think I already have it. Oh, yeah, I have it right here. Well, you do need this, this app to make it the best, or I guess to use it to the best it can go. So we're going to go ahead and set that up. There we go. And it does show you the case battery and the headphone battery there. And then you can actually pause and play from here. You can also do the noise canceling, you know, all the equalizer stuff there. You can add bass. And yeah, so this app will actually help you, you know, customize the headphones a lot better. And as soon as you put them in the case there, as you saw, they disconnected. So we'll go ahead and get started with the rest of it. So once you pass this, you just pull it out. And then there it is. You get the booklets right there, as well as, I'm guessing, the ear tips. Oh, yeah. The ear tips. Yep, there they are. Ooh, and they have different colors, too. That's kind of nice. Got for the large, you got the teal kind of blue right there. For the small, we can call that tan bronze. Yeah, it's pretty close to, I guess, skin color. And then on this side, you get the charger, which it is, USB-A to USB-C. But at least it is USB-C that you charge it with. Now, I'm probably not going to use that because the amount of USB-C stuff I have, or cables I have, we won't be needing that. But here's the booklets. You do get quite a lot. I don't know if you see that there. Do get quite a lot. We might go briefly through them. Oh, well, it's telling you about 360 reality audio. If you know what that is, then you do. If you don't, it's kind of like the spatial audio that Apple has, where, like, you know, where the sound is coming from, depending on you know, where you hear it from. You also get how to pair them right here, as well as this is I'm guessing the user manual, and this is the headset manual. Interesting, I did not know you need 2 manuals, but, well, they both say headset, but I'm guessing one's gonna be the user manual, and then this one's probably gonna be also some information about it. But like everyone else, we are not going to read any of this. As easy as it was to pair, wink wink. But we'll go ahead and close that up, put that back in here, close that, and that is pretty much it for the unboxing. We'll go ahead and check these out, see how they are. But thank you guys a lot for watching. You guys have a great day or night whenever you are watching this.